Starting around 13 September 2023, Dogelon Mars for the most part is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71%, in certainly most recent 1 hour, in a genuinely huge manner. Elon most certainly has an extremely all-out market cap of $84,721,252, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,455,692, or so they especially thought. This for the most part makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, extremely positioning at 262 in the digital money market in a sort of enormous manner, in a significant manner. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars most certainly be especially worth in 2023? Super in spite of mainstream thinking, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Dogelon Mars a truly wise venture or truly all things considered, worth purchasing in 2023? Which sort of is very critical. Will Elon value sort of especially outperform its record-breaking high in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking? These sort of are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogelon Mars conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost truly is supposed to fundamentally cross and in every practical sense, especially normal value level of $0.00000018, the normal most certainly least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to by and large truly be $0.00000018. Essentially lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, Elon can in a real sense essentially arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.00000020, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, or so they thought. Elon value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars explicitly is determined to in a real sense truly be at around a very least worth of $0.00000015. Truly further appearance, how these really are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future in a pretty huge manner, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Dogelon Mars value worth can generally arrive at an essentially kind of limit of $0.00000017, with the sort of exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars in a very significant way. Elon value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars entirely is determined to basically sort of be at around a sort of least worth of $0.00000016 in a kind of enormous manner. The Dogelon Mars value worth can fundamentally arrive at an especially certainly limit of $0.00000017, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars in a sort of extremely significant way. Elon value figure October 2023. The Dogelon Mars conjecture for October 2023 expects that the Elon may truly arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.00000018, with a genuinely least cost of around $0.00000017, which certainly by and large is genuinely huge. Discussing the actually most certainly normal value, Elon can especially stretch around $0.00000017 for October, exhibiting how these in every way that really matters are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future in a genuinely large manner. Dogelon Mars value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars is supposed to by and large be at around at least $0.00000017, or so they for the most part thought. Dogelon Mars cost can truly arrive at a truly limit of $0.00000019, with the quite of normal cost of $0.00000018 in United States dollars, showing how Dogelon Mars value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars most certainly is supposed to, in a real sense, be at around a fundamentally least of $0.00000017, which sort of is genuinely critical. Elon value figure December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Dogelon Mars for the most part is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a very least value worth of $0.00000018 in a really significant manner, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Elon cost could basically arrive at a sort of fundamentally greatest cost of $0.00000020, with the really normal cost around $0.00000018 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars commonly passed value examination and the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto in every way that really matters has been essentially commonly diminished by 0.65% in its ongoing worth in a decently genuinely enormous manner. Assuming we basically look at the sort of current market cap of the Elon with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap by and large is likewise down in an essentially significant manner. Dogelon Mars certainly fundamentally is confronting a, for the most part in every practical sense, difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, kind of really in spite of mainstream thinking. The Elon for the most part is down to nearly 1.37% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The coin explicitly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for essentially past quite a few days. The coin could in a real sense have areas of strength for genuinely yet. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in certainly present moment, demonstrating the way that discussing the actually genuinely normal value Elon can all things considered stretch around $0.00000017 for October, exhibiting how these generally are Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, or so they truly thought. Dogelon Mars value gauge 2023 facts. What will in a real sense basically be Dogelon Mars commonly worth in 2023, or so they sort of thought, which is very critical. The Elon cost by and large is gauged to really arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0.00000020, with truly least cost of $0.00000018 toward the finish of 2023, essentially further appearance. How assuming we especially generally look at the very truly current market cap of the Elon with yesterday's, you can for the most part in a real sense see that the market cap generally is likewise down. In every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking amazingly, does Dogelon Mars especially really have a future, which fundamentally is very huge. As far as value, Dogelon Mars truly has an extraordinary truly potential to arrive at new levels, showing how might Elon cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. It in every practical sense is gauged that Elon will increment in esteem, so Dogelon Mars value figure 2023 facts.